Hello everyone, we are from Visual Intelligence and Pattern Analysis Group in Zhejiang University. We will introduce our paper training free pre-trained model merging, which have been published at CVPR 2024. What is model merging? It means there are many single-task models, each designed to accomplish a specific task. Model merging combines models from multiple tasks into single model, enhancing the performance of this single model beyond each of its parent models. The existing body of literature can be broadly classified into two schools: training-based knowledge amalgamation and training-free model merging. The former merge model by distilling knowledge from multiple teacher models into student models, which usually require an additional expensive training process. The latter merge model by adding task vector onto the pre-trained model, which are training-free, but models used for merging must be initialized with the same pre-trained model. For models from different initialization, the effect of linear addition is often very poor, which is called linear barrier, so some methods consider aligning the neurons of the model before averaging to reduce linear barrier. Previous work has explored neuron alignment methods. Like Git-Rebusson aligns the parameters of different models in the same model, achieving zero linear barrier for single-task merging. From the perspective of loss landscapes, alignment projects different models into the same basin. On top of cross-model alignment, Zipit incorporates alignment within the model itself, further enhancing merging effectiveness. Reviewing prior work, current unit matching methods either represent units using weights or activation values. On one hand, weights reflect the strength of connections between neurons, but they do not capture information about the input data, such as scale and bias. On the other hand, previous research has shown that models can learn similar features to accomplish the same task without requiring identical weights. In other words, matching neurons based on activation similarity or weight similarity yields inconsistent results. Simply put, we conducted a simple experiment and observed that the best merged unit is neither the one with the highest weight similarity among parents nor the ones with the highest activation similarity. Instead, it lies somewhere in between the two. This inspires us to simultaneously consider both unit weights and activation similarity during alignment. To constrain the alignment of neurons in both weight and activation space, we propose a model merging method with dual space constraints. Our method balances the inconsistency of unit similarity in weight space and activation space when merging models by linearly combining the similarity matrices both of the weights and the activations of the units to seek a better permutation matrix. Furthermore, we developed a group alignment algorithm specifically tailored for modules with group structure. These modules are characterized by dividing neurons within the same layer into different groups, where the positions of neurons within each group and the positions of neurons within different groups can be interchanged respectively. Group alignment enables us to perform neuron alignment on module with group structures. In the experimental section, we initially tested the fusion method's performance in combining different classification tasks. We randomly divided the classification dataset into two sets of classification tasks. Subsequently, we merged them using various methods and compared the joint accuracy, individual task accuracy, and their average accuracy. We attempted merging under various settings involving different models, datasets, and initialization configurations. Across these different setups, methods based on dual space constraints consistently yielded improvements. Next, we tested fusion performance on multiple heterogeneous tasks. Here, we utilized the taskonomy dataset, which comprises a vast collection of indoor scene images, each annotated for various tasks. From this dataset, we selected pre-trained models for 12 tasks and merging them pairwise, calculating the average normalized performance of each task's model when merged with models from other tasks. In this experiment, the method based on dual space constraints generally outperformed previous methods in most cases. Observing the advantages of dual space constraints from the perspective of loss landscapes, we plotted the positions of three zip-based methods on the loss landscape. The three plots represent the average loss, the loss for task A, and the loss for task B, respectively. It can be observed that compared to methods solely based on weights or activations, the method based on dual space constraints is better at finding regions with lower loss for both tasks.